All right, so in this particular video, I'm going to navigate everything with you kind of step by step, and then, later on, we're really going to be going into the settings, but let me just show you what this is all about. So the home is your home page, and when you upgrade, you're going to be able to see your typical standard Shopify analytics right on here, where you can see online store, other, and then multiple channels and all the sales, the dates, all that fancy jazz. So the home kind of just gives you alerts and everything. It's your basic home page. Orders, as it says, okay, is where you're going to be able to go ahead and see your orders and see the status, if it's fulfilled, paid, waiting for payments, whatever it is. You can take a look at your abandoned checkouts as well. Your products, this is where you have all of your inventory, okay, where you have all of your products. And again, we're going to be able to go out there and add products in here manually, or we can use an application called Oberlo. And again, either or, it works very, very well, but this is where you can actually add your product. So if you click add product, this is where everything happens, all right? So it's pretty dang simple. They make it very, very easy and laid out when it comes down to actually adding products. Customers, this is where you're gonna see a list of customers. You can export them, you can import. If you have another store or you have current customers, you can import them here. Again, once you have customers here, you can actually export the customers, which is pretty cool. Analytics, now depending on the package that you have, your analytics will be shown. You're actually going to be able to take a look at different reports based on your actual package, depending on how much you're paying Shopify every single month. But I do suggest the $29 package is very, very simple, very easy to use as well. And later on in this series, you're actually going to be getting a 60-day free trial to Shopometrics. And Shopometrics gives you your entire store overview data from all your products, and it links up with your Facebook ads as well, and pretty much tells you everything. Discounts is where you can go ahead and create discounts or coupon codes. If you have people that are, family members or friends that you want to have referral codes for, you can give them and create referral codes in here. Applications is, well, like Oberlo, upsell apps, tri-funnels, Shopometrics, mail funnels. That's where all of that is going to be housed right over here. And, as we go throughout this entire little course, you're going to be able to see different apps that we have installed and how to access them. Then we have online store. Now this little icon allows you to see a preview, all right? So that's the current store, and you have themes, blog post, pages, navigation, domain, preferences. This is where everything happens in your online store. So if you have a blog on your store, you actually can have blog posts in here. You can edit the pages that are on your particular storefront as well. You can edit the navigation. So what does that mean exactly? It means if you create pages or blog posts, you can have, blog over here and have it set to the main menu. There's a lot of different things you can do. Domains, this is where you register a new domain. You could buy a domain right within Shopify, which is definitely what I suggest. Next, we have preferences where we add all our Google Analytics, we add our Facebook tracking. This is where you can unlock your store as well. This is pretty important, and we'll talk about this later on. But again, this is exactly where you're going to be installing Google Analytics and your Facebook pixel, and it's, like I said, pretty important. And settings, there's a lot of stuff that's happening in settings over here. So I don't want to pretty much run this video all the way through the settings because, again, there's so much to cover in the settings. We're only going to talk about the really important stuff that we're going to be really working with, which is more so shipping and the payments. So shipping is going to be something that we are going to need to talk about, and payments as well. But in the next video that we're going to go ahead and pretty much cover, we're going to let me just pretty much go right over here, and editing your store settings. So we are going to be talking about the settings and what is very, very important in regards to your particular store settings. All right. So again, I'll see you in that video.